If you've ever wondered, can you clear search history on OneDrive? The short answer is that it depends on what version of OneDrive you're using and whether recent searches are actually being shown to you. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple check you can do inside OneDrive, explain what it means if you don't see anything to clear, and show you the safest way to think about search history on the platform. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign into the account you want to check. Once you're on the main OneDrive page, look at the search bar near the top of the screen. This is where you would normally search for files, folders, and documents stored in your cloud drive. Now click inside the search bar. In some apps and services, clicking into a search box will show previous searches or suggested recent searches. If you see a list of recent searches appear, that means your OneDrive interface is showing search suggestions in that version. If you do not see any recent searches appear, that is usually a sign that your OneDrive version does not provide visible search history in the first place. And that is the key point here. In many cases, there is nothing manual to clear inside OneDrive itself, because the service simply does not display a traditional search history list for you to delete. So if you click the search bar and nothing recent shows up, you are already at the answer. There may be no visible search history stored in the user interface that you can remove. If your goal is privacy or cleanup, it helps to understand the difference between visible search suggestions and account activity. What you see in the OneDrive search bar is not always the same thing as saved browser history or Microsoft account activity. If you want to reduce traces on your device, you may also want to clear your browser history, especially if you're using OneDrive in a web browser and the browser itself has stored searches or autofill data. For example, if you use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, your browser may remember what you typed into the OneDrive search field, even if OneDrive itself does not show a clear history list. So if you're trying to fully clean up your search activity, checking the browser history and autofill settings can be just as important as checking OneDrive. Another helpful tip is to log out of your OneDrive account when you're done, especially on shared or public devices. That way, you reduce the chance that a browser session, cache data, or saved form entries could be seen later by someone else. So, to recap the process, open OneDrive, click the search bar, and look for any visible recent searches. If none appear, then your version likely does not offer a manual search history to clear. In that case, the best cleanup step is usually clearing your browser history and any saved autofill data, not OneDrive itself. If this tutorial helped answer your question, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.